how to play BlockBlast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The main objective is to clear as many rows and columns as possible by strategically placing blocks on the grid. The game ends when there is no room left to place a block. So drag and drop blocks from the bottom of the screen onto the grid. Blocks cannot be rotated unless the game version allows it. Fill an entire row or column to clear it and earn points. Cleared rows or columns free up space for more blocks, and the points are awarded for each row or column cleared. Combos clearing multiple rows or columns in one move gives bonus points, and the game ends if you cannot place any of the given blocks on the grid. Tips for success: plan ahead. Think about where future blocks might fit before placing a piece, and try to minimize gaps to maximize your options for placing blocks. Also, start placing blocks along the edges or corners of the grid to leave the center open for larger pieces. The game has 3 modes, that is Classic, Time Mode, and Challenge Mode. And for pro tip, save space for larger blocks and create combo moves by aligning multiple rows and columns for clearance in one go, and stay calm and think before placing each block. So this was about how you can play BlockBlast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.